Hi everyone! Today we are sharing on a very popular waterfall located very close to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Do support us by subscribing, clicking the bell, and also telling your friends so we can continue to produce good content. Terjun Sungai Pisang is located just off the Karak Highway. For a waterfall so close to a major highway, it is still a very serene, therapeutic place. Please note, you do need a permit from the forestry department before attempting this waterfall. Some people do enter this waterfall through the highway, but as there is no parking by the side of the highway, and it's dangerous for your vehicle, and you'll probably also get a parking fine. So, we recommend that you enter through the proper trailhead, which starts by the ECRL Terowong Genting along the Old Karak to Jandang Bayi Road. Just search Air Terjun Sungai Pisang Trailhead on Waze. From this trailhead, walk downwards towards the river. Walk up to the water gate. Walk up the side. And you should find a path to the tunnel. After the tunnel, follow the river on the right all the way up to the base of the waterfall. The trail takes you about 45 minutes to an hour to complete. It's generally flat except for one short steep climb to get to the top of the waterfall. It's a wet and dry trail, meaning that the journey to the waterfall will be in and out of water. I am very comfortable to go barefoot on this trail, but you do have to watch out for the odd sharp stones and ledges. Shoes and socks will be drenched if you are using them. There are also animals and plants to observe along the way. And there are some growing trees that's hollow in its core, where you can take a picture standing inside its trunk. We think that this trail is a very good trail to explore and to learn about the forest. The terrain is very interesting with a lot to play and explore. One part of the trail is muddy, and kids either love the mud or can practice their balance to avoid it. We think that this trail is a very good trail to explore and to learn about the forest. The terrain is very interesting with a lot to play and explore. There are also fantastic roots formation to observe. This waterfall is very memorable for us. It's our home trail and we come often. Me and Linus both came here individually before we even met. Took our marriage photo here. Came here when I was pregnant. And brought our kids here since they were babies. Our children enjoy this waterfall a lot, as the path is not hot, relatively easy, and has a lot of places for short play along the way. We also brought many friends here. There are 3 main spots to stop and play on this waterfall. The first is the base of the waterfall, where you can enjoy a good massage under the waterfall main drop. On the opposite side of the waterfall, the trail rises steeply. You can follow this trail up to the top of the waterfall, where we took our wedding photo. Be careful here as the rocks are slippery and it's a long fall down. A 5-minute walk from the top of the waterfall. Here you will find a deep pool where you can jump and swim or enjoy a bath behind a curtain of water. I hope to see you soon on one of our trails. While waterfalls are lots of fun, please note that there is always a risk of injury or death, so practice due diligence and safety. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy it, do support us by subscribing, clicking the bell, and also telling your friends so we can continue to produce good content. We are also on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.